Alright, so we set this up, went through all the instructions, did the soaking and rinsing for the filter, brand new everything. Put the filter in here. We haven't done anything particularly special with this. When we originally got it, this plastic piece was a little loose, so we had that tightened. Everything seemed to line up just fine. Nice and quiet when it would start. It started bubbling right away. We put the filter in. There are no specific tabs for the way that this is supposed to fit in here, so I don't think there's anything in particular here that's wrong. But of course we got the flashing light of pure annoyance saying that the filter needs to be changed. It ran for a few seconds. You push the button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's supposed to mean that you've changed the filter, right? But nothing's happening. Switch modes, and there's nothing happening. Tap and hold for 5 seconds. Still no difference for the filter. We have to unplug it. Gives that little beep, says it's on battery. Runs through its little cycle. Nothing, it'll bubble for a little bit because it's on battery mode. And then it will say filter needs to be replaced yet again. Waiting for it to say that. Yep, there we go. So it stopped, right? Okay, so I think battery mode must switch it into the 3-minute on, 3-minute off. So we'll go ahead and plug it back in because we don't have a battery issue or a power issue. It's very quiet. Love that. And there we are. Filter issue again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, my counting's off, but it's still going. Yeah, super annoyed. Brand new,